asks Boy Abunda.
Miss Lani Misalucha, I'm proud to say your name.
Aww,
From the bottom of my heart.
thank you.
You're doing a concert August 21. Saan ito?
Ito'y magaganap sa The Theater at Soler sa Pasay. We are going to have 40-piece orchestra under the baton of Toma Cayabyab. So it's called Still Lani. So yun nga, sana makadalo po kayo sa August 21 sa The Theater at Soler.
Directed by Calvin Neria.
Directed by Calvin Neria.
Yeah, it's being produced by friends. It's being staged by friends, and it stars a friend.
Oo nga, by Backstage Manila ito.
That's right. Sabi ko sa'yo, kumusta ka? May concert ka. Ito ninenervyos. Tanong.
Totoo naman, syempre. I'm not gonna deny that.
Of course.
Fact that.
Pero ito ang tanong ko, ang tapang-tapang mong tao, sa dami ng iyong pinagdaanan, wala kang inatrasan, including the health challenge that you went through, hindi lamang ikaw, pati si Nolly Boy, ang tapang mo pero ninenervyos ka pa rin. How do you reconcile that?
Yun nga din, kahit ako hindi ko rin picture kung paano yun napagsasama. Diba? For me, it is still okay to feel anxious. It's still okay to feel nervous. Para kasi, you know, if that aspect nawala na sa'yo, parang wala nang room for you to improve. Parang masyado ka ng confident, di ba? So, okay, kahit naman mapalaki o mapaliit na trabaho ang gagawin ko, mapalaking concert o mapaliit, talagang ninenervyos pa rin ako. Especially now, na ganito na yung aking sitwasyon. Nag-aano muna ako, yung parang meditation. Yung magme-meditate ako, like, I would try to listen to a certain frequency to calm my nerves. Ganon. Or I do affirmation, you know. Aside from, of course, the prayer, meron, mag-ano mo, para lang siguro nga, para lang maano yung nervous ko, yung ganon.
Oo. Because people do not realize that moment from backstage, ang tawag namin yan, to the light on stage, is one of the most exciting and one of the most nerve-wracking experiences one can ever go through. Di ba?
Kasi parang, alam mo yun, parang hindi mo talaga malalaman kung ano yung mangyayari.
The title of your concert is Still Lani. Bakit?
Kasi parang, you know, this concert would be like a testament of how an artist had gone through different seasons in life. Personally, ako, you know, I've gone through this different phases in life, of different chapters in life. And syempre, bawat chapters na yan, iba-iba ang kulay, iba-iba ang kwento, di ba? Merong mga, kumbaga nga sa song na tila, merong makulimlim, merong mabigat, di ba? Pero meron din mga chapters na bright, it's sunny, it's lush, it's happy. So, different seasons eh.
The highs and the lows of your career, the highs and the lows of your life. Para sa akin, ang dating sa akin ng Still Lani, sa dami ng seasons na pinagdaanan mo sa iyong karera, Still Lani because ito yung hindi nababago sa'yo. Parehong puso pa rin ang aawit. It's still the same heart. It's still the same soul. Essentially, yun ang hindi natibag, hindi nayanig, nanatiling Lani pa rin. Diba? Sabi mo, you went through phases of your life. Ang hirap ng tanong, pero first things that come to mind, ano yung most challenging, ano yung most exciting?
Most challenging.
Was there a time na kinailangan mong itago si Nolly, your husband?
Nung nag-uumpisa ako, hindi na ako bata, di ba, nung pumasok
Pero
ako
Reyna ka na.
Ha?
Reyna ka na.
Hindi naman, hindi totoo.
No. Hindi rin hindi biro.
Hindi kasi nga, nung pumasok na ako sa, kumbaga, sa mainstream recording or music industry, you know, I was already, almost 27 years old.
Tama.
I was already married. I already have 2 daughters that time. nung time na yun, talagang pinag-usapan namin na you're just gonna be here as a Lani Misalucha. Walang, kumbaga, if there's going to be some press conferences, we're not going to talk about family life. Kumbaga, para i-establish muna yung person na si Lani Misalucha.
And then we will tell the story.
Tsaka na lang kung ano.
Was that difficult?
Yes. Kasi nga, parang ang hirap eh. Parang sinabi mong, eto blue ito ha, blue. Pero gustong ipasabi sa'yo na hindi pink yan. Parang ganon.
Oo.
Parang ganon.
Tama. And of course, maririnig mo yung mga salita, kailangan to eh. Oo.
Yes.
Pinasok mo ang negosyong ito.
But, yes. But I completely understand.
Ako din.
I completely understand.
Ako din. I'm a manager by training. You know, naiintindihan ko rin yun. A part of the play, part of the game plan. Tanggapin man o hindi ng ibang nakakaintindi at hindi nakakaunawa. Pero nandun ka sa industriya na may mga tanggap, may hindi tanggap.
Correct.
Kaya
Correct.
naroon na yung nagpapakilala ka muna. Kanina pag-usapan natin ang challenging. Ano yung that highest? Alam ko marami. Marami yung mga highest point of your career and life. Both life and career. Ano yun?
Pinaka-highest. Dati nun, tinanong ako niyan, ang masasabi ko na achievement ko sa buhay, I would be the most, proud is being a mother.
Wow.
And now, yung tanong mo, being a grandmother naman ang sagot ko. Kasi alam mo yun na, nagkaroon kami ng first grandson, I was only 45. Nakahiga kami ni Papa Nos. So, nasa hospital yung anak namin, ng anak na. Alam mo, we were like, dun sa kama. Hi, Lolo. Sabi yan, hi, Lola. Alam mo yun, parang iba yung di ba tayo na nagdidinig natin, iba daw yung pakiramdam na merong grandchildren at iba daw yung pakiramdam ng pagmamahal. And now we are experiencing it. Now, I do not know, I really also cannot explain.
But I totally understand you. Dahil magkakasabayan tayo sa maraming bagay. Napanood ko ang iyong karera. And even today, in hindsight, every time I'm also asked, ano yung pinakamalaking achievement, di ba? You don't think about awards. You don't think about the big shows you've done. You don't think about the interviews that you've done. Ang pinakamahalaga, you go back to the basics. And I always say, you know, the height of my career was when I finally realized that I was making my nanay proud. The core eh. That's your core story, di ba?
Yeah.
And that is in your music, that is in the way you live. Hindi ka na-overwhelmed ng pera, Lani, in your career?
Parang, kasi syempre, when the money is coming in, andito yung parang, kumbaga, parang much is given, much is required.
Right.
You know, parang, pag merong kang ganito, pero meron ka rin, parang yung left ang nagre-receive, pero kailangan mo, yung ganon, lumalabas pa rin. Parang nakaka-overwhelm in a sense na parang, oh my gosh, marami pa rin pala tayong ginagastos. Yung mga ganon.
Tama.
Pero when sinasabi mong overwhelmed na, oh my gosh, the money is here. Hindi naman. Hindi naman.
Bakit? Because of your family? Because of Noli? Why?
Meron akong mga moments na, o merong mga gigs ako na na, kunwari, tapos na yung gig. Siyempre, bayad na, Nabigay ko ba sa kanila yung presyong binigay nila sa akin?
Oh.
Alam mo yon?
Yes.
Ito naman yung kung saan ako nanggagaling. Parang, teka muna, hindi ko kaya sila na shortchange? Alam mo yan? Parang, yung bang presyong binayad nila sa akin, natumbasan ko.
Ganda ng perspektibo.
Yun yung...
That's why you remained humble. You remained
Totoo, hindi kasi nga.
human. Oo.
Kasi nga yung ito na ako, di ba? Kasi sabihin ko sa'yo, meron pa rin talaga akong little things here and there na, hindi na ako katulad nung Lani na before ako magkasakit. Di ba? Di ba? Parang, yun talaga, meron ako mga ganung moment. Parang, okay, tapos na yung trabaho. Tama ba yung binigay ko sa kanila? Tama ba yung, kumbaga, tama ba yung
Ganda ng
nabigay ko sa
insight.
kanila, di ba?
I want young singers, I want young performers, I want young actors to listen to this line.
Totoo yun.
Ang ganda. Ang gandang balanse,
Oo,
di
mga
ba?
ganon.
Deserve ko ba? Binayaran.
Hindi, deserve ba nila yung...
Deserve ko ba yung kanilang
Ay, yun,
ibinayad
deserve
sa akin?
ko ba?
Oo.
Yung
Because
banayad nila.
that makes you assess. That makes you assess and examine yourself. And stay humble. And stay grounded. And stay human. Oo. Kasi pwede kang lumipad talaga sa ating industriya eh.
Oh, yeah.
Diba?
Oh, yeah.
That's why it's important that you're able to ask questions like this. Ganda nung reflection. Kaya napaka-exciting. Halimbawa, pag sinabi mo, August 21, may concert sa Lani Mansalucha. So, looking forward to your concert. Invite everybody. Invite everybody to the concert.
Well, hi everyone. This is Lani Misalucha, and I would really love for you guys to see my concert, still Lani, on August 21 at the theater at Soler. And we are going to have a special guest, Ben and Ben.
Wow!
Kailangan ko ng mga bagets. Of course, directed by Calvin Neria.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you.